Airport, Phuket Airport, and I'm going to show you guys my experience from business class at Qatar Airways. King Power is Leicester, and perfume shops are like all over the place in the airport. Beautiful. I think that there are a little bit of miscommunication. First experience is bad as a business class passenger. More to come. Yes, welcome back to another video, guys, from Thailand. I guess this is going to be the final video from Thailand, to be perfectly honest with you. Which means why I'm saying this is going to be the final video is kind of I'm at the airport, Phuket Airport, and flying back to London. So I just want to show you guys a little bit of Phuket Airport, International Airport, and I'm going to be taking you guys to and I'm going to show you guys my experience from business class at Qatar Airways. Yes, as you can see, this is my ticket over here. Let me show you the ticket. That's the ticket. So, as you can see, I've got an upgrade to a business class. Usually, I've traveled business class twice. One from Bali to London, one from I think one from Singapore to London. But that time I wasn't doing my YouTube, so I couldn't do any reviews, to be honest. But this time I got a chance. This was actually sponsored by my sister-in-law, my wife's sister. She kind of upgraded it to business class. So what I'm saying is basically when I do, my honest opinion is if you guys are traveling long distance, you should kind of book the business class, not for short distance. And also, if you are traveling to a holiday, don't book it, because that time you'll be energetic. When you're coming from, or when you finish the holiday, then you book the. I think this is King Power is Leicester. What's it? Leicester? Maybe Leicester. Yeah, King Power Stadium is Leicester. Maybe I'm wrong. Yeah, so when I'm travel, but I usually book business class when I finish my holiday, because no point booking the business class is when you are going to on holiday, because you'll be energetic. When you are finishing your holiday, you'll be tired. So that's where you need a business class. Plus, if it is a long distance, then it's more better. Yeah, I think today's video I'm going to show you guys my experience on business class at Qatar Airways. Never done it before. I've experienced it in, I think it was Emirates and Singapore Airlines, but not Qatar. So let's check out now I'm going to don't want to drag too much my video, so I'm going to show you guys the little bit of Phuket Airport. This is the Phuket International Airport. You got like duty free. I'm still thinking King Power is a Leicester. I think Leicester owner is Thai. Maybe I'm wrong. Yeah. So let's go that side. I'll show you a little bit of Phuket Airport, and then we go and explore the experience in business class. Looking forward to it. Straight from Phuket to London will be very, very good. There's a toilet there as well. I need to use the restroom. I don't want to use the restroom inside the flight. I'm a bit of claustrophobic, so. And you got like usual perfume shops around here as well. Not too sure what's up there. We'll go and have a look. And perfume shops are like all over the place in the airport. That's the only place you find cheaper perfumes, duty free. And you got like food shops, but food shops are a little bit expensive than outside, to be honest, and the quality is not that good. But if you want to eat Thai food, just go out, right, and eat Thai food. As that's the check-in, security check-in. That's the airport. You want to go in there. That's the airport. So if you guys have ever been to, if you guys had any experience on business class, let me know on the comment section. This is not the first time, so it was in 2019. I took from Bali to London business class. It was good because we were very tired. So what's this? Tamarind. 575, roughly about 12, 13 quid. So there's alcohol shop here as well. These are the main bits, man. You have to try this. I bought quite a lot. You guys need to try this. I bought about 10 of them. If you guys want anything, leave a comment. I'll pick one guy, one or two people, and I post them to you. So if I get over 50 messages saying that you want one of these, I'll pick 2 people from there and I kind of post it for you. Yeah, that's my deal. Doesn't matter which part of the world you are, I will be posting it to you. Trust me, it's very good. That's why I bought about 10 of them, whole pack. I'll probably sell it. I'll probably sell it online to make a little bit of money. You never know. Yeah, and there you go, Thai food. Usually people during early morning hours, they are like moody. Moody as in like, yeah. And there's another restaurant there. There's a Burger King over there and CIP lounge. You might wonder why I'm not going to the lounge, because I want to show you guys the lounge, but we only got a few hours left to board the flight. But I want to go into the lounge. Roughly another 20 minutes I had to board the flight. So plus you have to pay because it's not we can upgrade it to business class, but it's not. The lounge is free only if you are kind of paying at first time. If you're upgrading it, the lounge, you have to pay for it. So I got only like 10 minutes to board, so I don't want to pay and go and eat there, and then I won't be able to enjoy the food from the flight. I have to be brutally honest with you guys. I just don't want to brag about shit. Wow, look at this. So beautiful. Very beautiful. Must be expensive though. Must be very expensive. It's a small airport. Phuket is not a big place. It's like a small, I don't know if it's island. Maybe it is, but very small. Likewise the airport is as well. So that's it. So let me go to the restroom and I will show you guys my experience on a business class at Qatar Airways. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys, and like button if you have any experience on business class in Qatar Airways, please let me know, and I will see you guys. Where's she gone? And I will see you guys inside the flight. Bye. So the gate has been allocated, and it's, I think, gate 14. It's not far. I think, as I said, the airport is very small. So there you go. That's the gate over there. Kind of just walking distance. People are standing here. It's not open yet. That's the gate. Gate, huh? It's not open yet? Cut out. Okay. Sorry? Not open yet. I think 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, sit down there. Gone, yeah. Exactly. Excuse me? Sorry. Our flight is just about to board, as you can see. There you go. Zone 1 come in. I'm on business class, so I just need to walk straight past people. There you go, my friend. So I'm so excited to share my experience on business class today. As I said, I've been on 2 airlines. Etihad, not Etihad, sorry. Emirates and also Singapore Airlines. Business class, but that time I wasn't. Oh, look at this crowd. But look at the crowd. I think the flight will be packed. Maybe. Yeah, I know. And I'm not boarding it. Oh, that was it. So yeah. So we are business class, so I'll walk right in. So, so let me show you guys the flight over there. That's it. I think that's the flight.
Конструкция пассажира. Курманбек Айзада. Пожалуйста, немедленно свяжитесь с нашим наземным персоналом у выхода номер 83, выход номер 83 для регистрации багажа. Спасибо.
Jeez, dude, they don't know what they're doing.
โปรดทราบเพื่อปฏิบัติตามกฎหมายและสุขภาพของส่วนรวมโปรดงดสูบบุหรี่ภายในอาคารขอบคุณค่ะ Attention please. To comply with the law and for public health, please refrain from smoking in the terminal. Thank you. 请注意，为遵守法律和公众健康，请不要在航站楼内吸烟。谢谢。Внимание, незначительное закон и общественное здоровье. Пожалуйста, воздержитесь от курения в терминале. Спасибо.
Any passenger traveling with business class?
Your attention please, passenger name, Thailand, Busela, Thailand, Busela. Please contact ground staff at gate number 8,
Sorry.
gate number 8, thank you.
Good.
Any passenger in business class? And for the zone number 1, would you mind to
Thank you. Hello. There you go, let's go in. I think that there are a little bit of miscommunication. But if you go to Qatar airport, basically they have first, they'll make sure to let everyone sit, and then they'll take the business class first, and zone 1, zone 2, zone 3, something like that. So in here, it's just everybody is. So it's a bad experience, to be honest, to start with. First experience is bad as a business class passenger. We'll see. More to come. Like when I did Etihad, no Etihad, I don't know, I keep saying Etihad. Emirates, it's let's go.
Hi, good morning. How are you? Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Welcome on board. Good morning, Ms. Abbas and Mr. Vijayan.
Yes.
Welcome on board.
Thank you.
Let's go this way, please.
This way, thank you.
Welcome on board. Good morning.
Hello there.
How are you?
6B, yeah. Okay, this is, I don't know. Alright, thank you.
Anytime if you like to have breakfast or lunch, let me know the time and we'll heat it up accordingly.
Okay.
We have turned down service for you if you prefer to stay.
Okay. So, this is the main course arrived with. No, thank you. So I'll see you guys in about 2 hours.